Hi everyone, welcome to the StoreSEO tutorial. Now you can generate product descriptions, meta titles, etc. with StoreSEO AI Content Optimizer. Let's check out how to do it. To use the AI Content Optimizer, you have to purchase one of the 3 flexible AI credit bundle options offered by StoreSEO. To purchase your preferred package, navigate to AI Content Optimizer from the left sidebar. After choosing the desired bundle, click Confirm. Choose your preferred payment method. Next, click on Approve on the right side of the screen to approve the payment. Navigate to Product under the Optimize SEO option. Open the product detail page that you want to optimize with AI. Remember, you need to provide a focus keyword for the product page. Click on the Generate button from the right side of the AI Content Optimizer section to optimize the content. All sections' content will be generated immediately and appear as suggestions. Click on Keep It to accept the AI content. Or you can undo the change in each section by clicking on Revert button. If needed, you can also keep the newly generated content in each individual section by clicking the Keep It button. Moreover, click on the Regenerate button to generate new optimized content again. The dashboard also has a Keep All button that you can use to accept all the AI content at once. Try to keep the SEO score above 90 for the best possible results. Remember to click on the Save button in the top right corner once you are done. This is how easily you can optimize the product detail page content in your Shopify store using StoreSEO AI Content Optimizer. Subscribe to the StoreSEO channel to stay updated and watch more videos like this one. See you in the next video.